Yes, be ready. Start. Of course, such a dispensation will be said to be in the national interest, and we would then have to reconcile ourselves to this change stanza. Under clause 234, government has to entertain complaints from shareholders. Stop. But exemption from this provision can be made. Stop. Government companies, after all, are run by people of virtue. Stop. How can we ever entertain any complaint against government directors? Question mark. Indeed, the blanket power that has been given confers on the executive full and complete authority to dispense with any or all the provisions of the Companies Act except two provisions to which specific reference is made. Stop. Of course, the argument would be put forward that government would not be unreasonable, that it will not exercise these powers. Stop. I fail to understand the validity of this argument. Stop. If you do not choose to exercise these powers, then why should Parliament give these powers to people who might not use them at some future date? Question mark. After all, a statute is in existence until it is amended, and at any moment changes can occur. Stop. Someday a rash finance minister might come to this house and dispense with all these elaborate safeguards which are meant to protect the interests of shareholders. Stop. I think it is morally unjust and constitutionally improper to confer these blanket powers on government. Stop. Have the legal consequences of such powers being given been examined? Question mark. I have grave doubts whether this particular provision is in conformity with Article 14 of our Constitution. Stop. We have, after all, a written constitution which assures equal protection under law. Stop. On what grounds of legality can we distinguish between shareholders in a government company and shareholders in a private company? Question mark. I believe the courts would have something to say on this classification of categories which has been attempted by the joint committee. Stop. How can we strip them of their rights? Question mark. The shareholders have already been stripped of their virtues by the government which does not trust them, and now we are called upon to deprive them of their rights in government companies. Stop. Even in a corporation, state corporation, although it is true that shareholders have limited rights where an infringement of the statutory powers by the corporation occurs, or where there is an infringement of their rights, the aggrieved individuals have a right to go to courts of law. Stop. Under this peculiar provision, if it is held to be valid, it will mean that the government, if it so minded, can deprive shareholders of all their rights. Stop. It is in the fitness of things that the shareholders should be given a fair deal in future. Full stop. Over.